Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The Hands of Nature in Fort Myers, Florida. 60% of gym memberships go unused. Bald eagle staring at reflection on ice. At age 22, Walt Disney was fired from a Missouri newspaper for not being creative enough. The average person will only remember about 18% of information just 28 days after studying it. One pistachio tree can produce 50,000 nuts each year. Tattooed skin produces around half as much sweat as non-inked skin does. An ostrich egg equals 24 chicken eggs and can feed 12 people breakfast. They weigh about 3 pounds. After World War I, there were so few men in Germany that only 1 in 3 women would find a husband. According to scientists, vampire bat saliva is the best known medicine for keeping blood from clotting. Polished meteoric rock, all metal mined on Earth used to come from meteorites. Otoshidama, these are gifts of money that are given to children by adults on New Year. This is a rare Maltese tiger, also known as blue tiger. Denmark is one of the 8 countries with some free college university programs. Adrenaline actually expands the air passages in your lungs. More people are afraid of open spaces, kinophobia, than of tight spaces, claustrophobia. Oak tree split in 3 by lightning. A group of cats is called a clowder. Small dogs usually live longer than larger breeds. According to an opinion poll, the major cause for stress in nearly all countries surveyed is money. The less stressed are Russia, France, and Italy. A full-loaded supertanker traveling at a normal speed takes at least 20 minutes to stop. About 2 and 3% of the population are naturally long sleepers, meaning they need 10 hours of sleep or more to feel rested. Changing the font size of periods from 12 to 14 can make a paper long significantly longer. Over $43 million worth of unopened edible food is thrown away in the US every year. The frilled coquette, the smallest hummingbird in Brazil. India being a tropical country with high temperature, 3-blade fans are optimum for higher air delivery, causing better cooling effects. Grape juice can be used to relieve severe migraine. Despite being a small and densely populated country, the Netherlands is the world's second biggest exporter of food. More blades tend to slow the speed of the fan, making it quieter and helping circulate less air. Its main objective is to complement the air conditioners and not to make the place colder. Want to make a drink cold really fast? Wrap it in a white paper towel and put in the freezer for 2 minutes. A cat in New Zealand tricked two different women into owning him. Neither knew they had the same cat until after he went to the vet for stitches. The cat got to keep both names as well as both owners through a shared custody agreement. Walking exerts a rotation force on our body, torso, and hips. Swinging the hands helps in maintaining the balance of torso by reducing its twisting movement. It also reduces the overall amount of energy it takes to walk. Never cheap out on what's between you and the ground. Shoes, bed, couch, tires, etc. will all pay dividends if spent the extra money for higher quality. Many of the stories created by Roald Dahl were inspired by the people and places around him. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory was inspired by his childhood. Cadbury's used to taste test their chocolate bars at Roald School, and he used to dream that he would invent a new chocolate bar. The mirror is placed in an elevator lift to keep you engaged so that you don't feel frightened of traveling in a box hanged with ropes. Another reason is to make the lift seem spacious so you don't feel suffocated, especially if you're claustrophobic. The lifespan of a VHS cassette tape is 30 years, so if you have old Wedding Vacation or other home movies from the 90s, now is the time to look into digitizing them. When you flush the toilet, it creates an invisible cloud of yucky stuff called toilet plume that gets dispersed into the air by the force generated by flushing. Flushing with the lid closed decreases the amount of toilet plume from getting dispersed in the air. Head and shoulder shampoo not only get rid of dandruff, but it's also a great way to get rid of acne on your face, chest, back thanks to the ingredient pyrithione zinc found in it. Dark chocolate contains a higher percentage of flavonoids, bioactive compounds that occur naturally in the cocoa bean. When taken in moderate quantity, it is said to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Milk chocolate is more sugar and milk than flavonols. Trying to build a career, get a job at country clubs, teak house, private golf course, or other place where rich people hang out. Career portfolio building is all about connections and who you know. Thanks for watching.